Hi, I'm TJ. Professor Brainstein will be back in a minute. I thought I'd take this opportunity to encourage you to buy a copy of Perihelion Engineering, The Universe in a Nutshell. This is juxtaposed to Stephen Hawking's Universe in a Nutshell because the universe was never inside of a nutshell. And I go through the process here, this is 10 years in the making, of proving that the universe is infinite, what Albert Einstein originally believed, but the redshift of light was confusing, and I prove how that observation was wrong and the redshift of light is wrong. I actually prove that the fundamental speed of light is not fundamental, that red light, green light, and violet light all travel at different speeds. I go through many different experiments, and in some places it gets a little deep with the equations, but they're all explained and you can follow along. But I go into combustion and how combustion has been misidentified. I go into the Niels Bohr atom, which is probably the biggest mistake of all time. And as we look for a new answer to how the atoms are actually structured, you're going to find out that there's justification as to why the Niels Bohr atom is wrong. Second item up for bid is the new enterprise, allsciencenews.org. Just established it. We're going to be digging into all kinds of quirky science, odd research, researchers that are working on things that nobody knows about, and we're also going to get into ufology and dig a little bit deeper into UFOs. It's going to be quite fascinating. I think you're going to discover some things that have not yet been discovered. So if you want to, if you got any neat news ideas or news research, you know anybody that's doing research that's not yet being publicized or discovered and they need some assistance, you can contact admin at allsciencenews.org and we'll look into it. If you'd like to join the enterprise, give us an email. I'll put that link up on the screen. Perihelion Engineering is a full color expose. It's really a monstrous printing. Cost me a lot, but it was worth it. You'll see why. We're going to change the world.